System error. System error.
Click subscribe to remain.
System error.
TK42, Greg.
Click like to exit.
Who are these people?
No idea. They came off boats, coughing and claiming everything. Probably lost.
I'm Longbow Short Dick, and today Dances with Rainbows is having a parade! Whee! I like balls, baby! So what is your parade?
I call it the Trail of Queers. Just us gay dudes telling the world we like dingleberries.
Greetings.
What's your name?
My name is Willy Wonka.
We'll be short of William, I imagine. Good strong name. No doubt name for your father, eh?
My father? No way.
Morgoth.
Recalculating identity. Identity now found.
By the light of the Silmaril.
What are you? No. It's the cousin of my aunt's nephew, Boston. Lovely singing voice. Eunuch. Can you sail under the command of a pirate?
Yeah, I'm just a little concerned about that part.
Satisfied?
This is not entertainment. This is a test.
No bigger than a child. People call
And
him
forward forward to context and scene.
but children knew him as the little clockwork boy. He couldn't fight like war machines or shine like serpents in the river. Yet he could mend what was broken, and he carried something great.
User is good. Memory leak.
TK42, Greg here on Hoth. Beautiful scenic, -30 Hoth. TK 80 watts down. It's fine. Apparently when a base gets blown up by the Empire, someone still has to pick up all the helmets and regrets. Base is gone. This one might have been a chair, and we're still digging Jenkins out of a snowdrift somewhere. All because some command kid decided he's allergic to the Empire. Bravo squad. Those people bring back tech. Jenkins brought architecture. Resort. They're gonna love this in the mess hall. Features include, I give it 6 hours before someone uses it as insulation and a complimentary snow collapse hazard. Plan was stronger fortifications. Kevin drags the rebel base. We look heroic.
Therapy.
Kevin says
That tracks.
and I am paraphrasing. So Watt built a campfire.
This is
He's
Jenkins.
roasting cubes.
He's field
the Empire
testing shin
doesn't
plate
officially
skis.
serve fondue, but Watt does.
So
It's
far,
Ghost Story Hour
mixed
here at base camp.
results.
Jenkins says he saw a rebel ghost
pretending
tauntaun.
she's not judging all
So,
this.
That's where we're
I am
at
watching.
emotionally.
Are you watching?
An end to a weird day. Nobody exploded. Simmons laughed. Jenkins didn't eat snow on purpose, I think. Calling that a win. All right, troopers, that's the vlog. Comment your Imperial call sign. 1147 Pink Snow Falcon Supreme. It's not sticking. Remember, like, subscribe, and may your remember, like, subscribe, and may your boots stay dry. TK42, Greg out.
End of transmission.